California Volkswagen 2026, Ride the Wind. The 2026 ID California, Volkswagen's first electric camper van, is based on the ID Buzz platform. It offers eco-friendly travel without sacrificing comfort with a spacious cabin, cutting-edge technology, and eco-friendly materials. Important specifications. The rear-mounted electric motor produces 229 pound-feet, 310 Newton-meters of torque and 201 horsepower, 150 kilowatts. An estimated 250 to 300 miles per charge is possible with a 111 kilowatt-hour battery pack. Fast charging. A DC fast charger can charge 80% in 30 to 40 minutes. The drivetrain is rear-wheel drive with all-wheel drive optional. Maximum passenger capacity is 2,000 to 2,500 pounds is the projected towing capacity. The temperature control system has dual zone settings with independent rear controls. Interior features. The hydraulic pop-up roof has panoramic views, extra headroom, and a double bed. Kitchenette. This space has a gas stove, sink, refrigerator, and lots of storage for personal items and kitchenware. Modular seating, slide, fold, and swivel seating to create a living room-like feel in the travel van. A 10-inch digital instrument cluster and 12-inch touchscreen for the infotainment system allow smartphone communication. The interior uses vegan upholstery and recyclable materials to show sustainability. Outdoors aspects. Retractable side awning. This covered area can be used for dining or relaxation. The outdoor kitchen, located at the back of the camper, is easily accessible from the outside, which enhances the camping experience. Control and connectivity. Control system. A tablet-like control unit positioned vertically in the living area manages other camper operations. Mobile app. The Cali on Tour app offers smartphone-controlled camper operation. The infotainment system displays car information including fresh and waste water levels, lighting, and auxiliary heater settings. Advantages: environmentally friendly, fully electric powertrains emit less carbon. Interior is roomy and fitted with modern comforts for long-term travel. The latest information, entertainment, and control systems are advanced technology. Environment-friendly materials. Using recycled and vegan materials is eco-friendly. Versatility. Modular design lets you use space differently. Negatives. This product is expected to be available in the second half of the decade. However, availability may vary by location. Price. Premium features may increase the price. Some places may have limited availability to fast charging stations due to infrastructure. Camper amenities may affect vehicle weight and economy.